I was working in the human service field for about 8, 9 years. And then when COVID hit, it's like the unknown for everybody. Job-wise, I didn't know what to expect at the end of this. So getting an opportunity, like being from Lynn and getting an opportunity to work at GE is just like a dream come true. So my name is Acie Johnson. I'm a former E-team graduate of the last class. The way Tony and them have the shop designed in the classrooms, it helps you because a lot of the math skills that you learn, you're gonna have to use that in the field. Graduating E-team and going straight into a career job, that was a big change because I always worked jobs where nothing was like guaranteed. You could work for a company forever and get laid off. And now to know that I have a job whereas I could be there for the rest of my life, it's a change. The longer you stay in it and the longer you go through it, the teachers are so helpful. They want to see you pass and get through it that you're gonna be successful and you're gonna be proud of yourself at the end of the day.